How can we solve corruption?
How? You need a reformer. So you need a reformer. You are not discharging your duties towards your Creator. You are deviating from religion, from God, from more basic ethics, morals. And this is why, so we, Ahmediyya community, we claim that our members, even though they are the citizens of this same country, they are much better than their fellow country people because of their reformation. They are not that much corrupt. Or if they are, if we come to know, we take action. So if you see, unfortunately you could not have chance to come to attend our annual convention. Had you been here, you would have seen with your own eyes that how do we reform. So I think next year you come, then you will find the solution of it. That is the practical example of it.